Hey guys, welcome back to another review. Today I got a Sawmill. I got for Christmas. Now I'm just gonna get straight into it. So first off, I bought the Sawmill. I bought a second car, and it came with another log. Now I have 3. That's actually pretty neat. I have 3, so yeah. You're probably wondering, why did I buy the car? Well, I'll show you. So, see this? The set only comes with, or the destination only comes with 1 car. So if I were to split that into 2, where would the second one go? That's why I need 2. I like kind of Christmas colors, so it's not if I got that Christmas. Yeah. So I'm gonna show you how the item works. So you would bring your engine with the Sawmill car up to here. Okay, so stops there. Then there's a little lever on the side. This is my favorite part of the destination, by the way. This is probably my favorite part, and I'll tell you something once I'm done with the review. But it lands on the, I guess, conveyor belt. You take your car. Now you only have 2, so you have to move it over here. And then you would take this little lever here, and very hard to do sometimes, so I'm gonna see. 1 landed in the car, 1 didn't, so it's very hard to really get it into a car. But about 10% of the time, I would say, they land in the car, and then you would drive away. That's basically the whole function of this destination. Now I'm going to tell you what I would have done if this was me. Now, I think this is a very dangerous feature right here, the little dumping depot thing. What I would have done, which is something that later years with the timber yard, the crane. I think I would have done an overhead crane that goes over here as a port down here, and would have picked something up from the car and moved it onto the conveyor belt. And that's just me. I don't like how it works because that's my favorite part, and it actually works really well for crashes. So, yeah. This is actually this is what I was talking about. I was gonna tell you something. This is my earliest destination. This is from 1998, and my earliest destination before this was either Wellsworth Station from 2001 or something from the Muffle Mountain set from 2001. So, my earliest destination. Price we got for $65, including shipping. It was $50 plus $15 to ship, which makes sense. Do I recommend it? Absolutely, if you can find it for a decent price. Now before we go, it splits into pieces. Oh, another thing. This little piece was missing, so we just bought another one, which my dad sawed down, and that works really well. It was missing, so you really have to check for that stuff. It splits into pieces, then you would take this whole middle section out, and yeah, you could probably put some track there if you really wanted to, and this actually fits with Knapford. See, it's like the the Knapford B switches and the Knapford lines. It fits with those, if you know what I'm talking about. So you can connect it to Knapford and just build a wall. Yeah. Actually, that's a really good idea. Just do the Henry's Tunnel thing. We use this wall if you don't have the actual wall from. Trying to get it back together now. Yeah, and then it goes on here, and then this goes on here. So again, it does come recommended by me. Price, if you can find it for a decent price. So that's about all I have to say about this destination. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.